Gurubhyo Namaha. Hi children, welcome back to our EBS class. In today's class, we are going to learn an interesting topic. Chapter 5, Food We Eat. All living things need food to live. We all eat different kinds of food like rice, chapati, dal, idli, etc. And these food contains nutrients. In this chapter, we are going to study the importance of food. Okay, now tell me one thing. Can we learn if we have no energy or when you feel tired? No, not possible. Okay, forget about studies. Can you play your favorite game if you don't have energy? No, you cannot run when you feel tired. We need energy to do all our work, which includes playing too. But do you know from where does this energy comes from? Or who gives you energy? This energy comes from the food we eat every day. Food is very important for our body. Do you know why your mother asks you to eat not just your favorite food, but all the food that is served on your plate, even though you may not like it? This is because each type of food performs some special function in your body. There are different types of food. Some food gives us energy, while some others help us to grow. Now let's find out which food gives us energy to work and play. Oil, sugar, potato, rice, wheat are some foods which give us energy. These are called energy giving food. Are you of same height as you were in the previous class? No, children keep growing taller and bigger. Some food type help us to grow. Milk, eggs, pulses, fish, etc. help us to grow. These are called body building food. They make our bones and muscles strong. Now let's talk about fruits and vegetables. I know you kids don't like to eat various vegetables like spinach, cabbage, etc. But do you know fruits and vegetables protect us from diseases? These are known as protective food. So eat all varieties of fruits and vegetables. How about milk? Most of the children don't like to drink milk. But milk is important for our body. It helps us to grow, stay healthy, and also gives us energy. So it is called a complete food. So don't forget to drink milk every day. Drink milk. Cabbage, carrot, onion are some of vegetables which we can eat raw. But can you eat raw rice, potato, pulses? No. Some of them are hard to eat while some are tasteless. So we cook them before eating to make it soft and tasty. Yummy food. Before eating fruits and vegetables either raw or cooked, we should wash them first. Before they reach our home, vegetables and fruits go through many hands and places. During this, they collect dust and dirt, which can make us ill. That's why we should wash them before eating. Since the vegetables and fruits are washed, is it okay to eat with dirty hands? No, we should wash our hands before eating. Wash hands before every meal. Dirty hands have germs which can make us sick. Apart from washing hands before every meal, there are other good eating habits you should follow. At your home, why does your mother insist you to eat lunch, dinner or breakfast at fixed time only? Because having your meals same time is very necessary as it helps in digestion. We should not talk while eating And some other bad habits are chewing with your mouth open, eating too fast. So eat your food slowly, chew properly, and do not talk while eating. Let's have a quick recap. Different food types perform different functions in our body. Energy giving food like oil, potato, etc. give energy to work and play. The protective food keep us healthy and protect us from disease. The bodybuilding food like milk, egg, pulses, etc. help us to grow and make our muscles and bones strong. So children, now I hope you all know the importance of food. Try to include different types of food in your meals and not just your favorite ones. Never forget to wash your hands before eating. And most important thing, never waste food. We should not eat junk food as it is unhealthy to us. So, we should always eat healthy food to keep us healthy. Now, it's time to do an activity. Look at the pictures given and answer the question. In these, which can be eaten raw? Potatoes, carrot, pulses. Answer, carrot. Very good. Carrot can be eaten raw. Next one. In this picture, which is unhealthy to us? Very good. Junk food is unhealthy and we should not eat junk food. Now next one. Look at these pictures. Which is a complete food? Very good. Milk is a complete food. Well done, children. We need food to live and we cannot live without food. We grow and become stronger when we eat healthy food. We get strength to do more work on eating healthy food. People who do not eat healthy food don't get much strength to do work. We get food from plants and animals. Plants and animals are the two main sources of our food.